Morning everyone. All right, today I got something a bit different. It's Camry Hybrid 2015. This vehicle has been towed in. It had some programming issues, and what we've got is a failed steering wheel. So I'm going to show you basic checks on the wiring on these. They do change over the years. So this has 3 power wires, a ground and a LIN bus communication wire. Now the fault code we got set is a B279, which is a no communication with the steering lock assembly, which is this little module here. I have pulled this out of the actual lock casing with the motor and everything. So we've got no comms from this to the entry and start module. Now the vehicle is immobilized, as you can see there. So quick checks. As you can see, we've got battery feed, ground, and LIN bus. They're our wires. So I'm going to hook the scope up. There's not much to show on TechStream. I was using it before. I did try and reinitialize this. I don't think I've got the fault report up anymore. No, the codes are gone, but the only code in the vehicle is communication failure between this and the entry and start. All right, now, scope hooked up. As you can see, ignition's on. There's a fresh 12-volt battery in this car too, because it was dead when it come in. Straight away is our 12-volt feed. This is our ignition fed 12 volts. So if we turn key off, we won't have 12 volts on that. And we have another feed there. That's our third one. Now the ground wire, you're not going to see anything. I'd have to switch polarity, so that's our good ground. And then our LIN bus communication, which is what that code is complaining about. So that's a good LIN bus signal. That's from the entry and start module. The entry and start, according to the diagrams, is a direct wire from that to this. So that LIN bus communication is good. Now I have actually taken this thing out, given it a 12 volt and a ground on the bench, and checked that LIN bus wire. Where are we? There. And that is fine. So that isn't fine when the module is hooked off the car. So we have no comms out of this steering lock unit to that. Everything else is fine. So the wiring up to it's good. We can confidently call the 600 or 700 bucks, whatever it was, for a steering lock assembly for this, and get it all fitted back up, and this vehicle will start and run. Now, with the comms error between the entry and start and these, they will be immobilized. So as you can see, we have no ready symbol, being that it's a hybrid, and our IMO light is flashing over here. I have confirmed as well, both keys, both fobs are programmed. So we get the new one in, I'm going to link it up with TechStream. When it arrives, it'll be a couple of days, and this thing should fire straight up. Good reminder as well, even on a hybrid vehicle, make sure your battery voltage is good if you're programming. So the 12 volt battery was enough to turn the ignition on, but I believe mid-programming had dropped out. When it came in here, the 12 volt battery was at 6 volts, and it was absolutely spanked. So it's got a new 12 volt battery in it now. We'll get the new entry and start in, and she should be all fixed. Sorry, new steering lock.